This is just a reminder that it's not hoarding if you have a display case. So this is all of my Yardage books and scorecards going back some time. So I don't throw a lot away. I throw almost nothing away. Some hats I don't care about. I get a lot of these almost everywhere I go. If you've seen my office, you know I don't throw anything away. So I'm starting to get things organized, and I'm like, wow, this is a crazy amount of Yardage books. And then that's just 2021. What was I doing in 2021? I went crazy on the courses. So in 2010, I got back into golf after like a long break from just kind of barely playing. And these are all of my scorecards. These won't get a display case. I just don't know how to display them, nor do I really have a desire to. But I got to figure out a place to put all of these. Still trying to figure out how to put it all together, but man, this has been a great journey. We got Michigan, we have North Carolina, we have California. Of course, I'm from there, so I got a lot of books from there. We have Oklahoma, Nashville, Hawaii, Washington. We have Philadelphia, Florida, of course, New York with Wingfoot, Bethpage, South Carolina, Colorado. What else we got in there? Ocean Course, Arbortown, Myrtle. All these great courses, great locations. We got Mexico. We got Georgia down there with Sea Island. Of course, we got just a lot of time in the Caribbean and Mexico, so probably put all of those together. We got New York, Plainfield, my favorite course, Somerset, it's up there. Then start getting to the international courses. So we have England, Sunningdale, Swinley, St. George, Scotland, of course, just came back from there. A lot of books from there. Ireland, these is whole complete section and going back this year. Bandon's in there. Maryland's just above where I'm from. I'm in DC now, so a lot of Maryland courses. West Virginia with Pete Dye. I don't have a Pikewood book. I thought I should. Ohio, Indiana, Chicago. Like I said, it is not hoarding if it's in a display.